If you spend more than 3 hours a day inside Google Chrome, you are losing dozens of hours every month to repetitive clicks, tab clutter, and slow reading. Most people use Chrome like it is still 2010, manually typing repetitive emails, getting lost in 50 open tabs, and constantly clicking back and forth between tools. In this complete guide, we are diving into 5 game-changing Google Chrome extensions that will transform your browser into a high-speed productivity engine. We will cover automated documentation tools, instant AI auto-completion, visual tab managers, speed reading hacks, and strict distraction blockers. By the end of this video, you will be able to cut your daily browser work time in half without changing your main routine. First up is Tango, an incredible extension that automatically creates step-by-step written tutorials while you perform actions on your screen. Instead of manually taking screenshots and typing instructions for your team or classmates, you simply click the Tango extension icon in your toolbar and hit record. As you navigate through any website or web app, Tango captures every click, highlights the exact button on screen with the orange target box, and generates clear written text steps. Once you complete your workflow, click Complete Recording, and Tango outputs a published interactive guide ready to export as PDF or share via web link. It converts a 30-minute documentation task into less than 30 seconds. Next is Compose AI, a powerful extension that brings artificial intelligence sentence completion directly into every text field across the web. Whether drafting emails in Gmail, writing comments in Google Docs, or replying to messages in Slack, Compose AI predicts what you want to say in real time. Simply start typing a sentence, and light gray suggested text appears ahead of your text cursor. Press the Tab key on your keyboard to instantly accept the suggestion and complete the sentence. Furthermore, you can highlight any written sentence, type 2 forward slashes, and prompt the AI to rephrase, expand, or rewrite your email tone from casual to professional in seconds. If your browser toolbar regularly looks like a chaotic mess of 50 tiny unreadable icons, Toby for Chrome is your ultimate solution. Toby replaces your default new tab page with a clean, visual grid workspace where you can organize links into custom collections and project boards. With a single click of the Save Session button, Toby instantly closes all active open tabs and saves them into a dedicated named list, freeing up gigabytes of computer memory. When you are ready to resume work on that project, click Open All to restore that exact set of tabs instantly. It keeps your browser lightning fast and completely eliminates digital tab overload. The fourth tool is SwiftRead, an extension designed to help you digest online articles, PDF documents, and news reports 3 times faster. When you select any block of text on a web page and press Alt+V, SwiftRead launches a focused reading pop-up. It utilizes rapid serial visual presentation, or RSVP, displaying words one by one in high-speed succession right at your central focal point. You can adjust the speed slider from 200 up to 800 words per minute. SwiftRead also includes a bionic reading mode that bolds the initial letters of each word, guiding your eyes rapidly across dense paragraphs without fatigue. Our fifth extension is Unhook, an essential focus tool for anyone who opens YouTube for work or research and gets sucked into unrelated video feeds. Unhook allows you to selectively hide distracting elements on YouTube, including the homepage recommended grid, sidebar-related videos, live chat, and comments section. Click on the Unhook icon in your extension bar to open the pop-up toggle menu. Simply check the boxes for Hide Home Feed and Hide Sidebar. Suddenly, YouTube becomes a clean, search-only utility where you watch only what you intended to watch, saving you hours of unintended doom scrolling every single week. While extensions add immense capabilities, running too many simultaneously can slow down Google Chrome and eat up valuable system RAM memory. To prevent your browser from lagging, open the built-in Chrome Task Manager by pressing Shift+Escape on Windows or Search+Escape on Chromebooks. Here you can inspect exactly how much memory and CPU power each individual extension is consuming. If an extension is hogging resources, select it and click End Process. Additionally, go into your extension management page and set site permissions to unclick, ensuring extensions only execute background scripts when you explicitly click their icon. To achieve maximum speed, combine all 5 extensions into one synchronized daily workflow. Start your morning by opening Toby to launch your exact project tabs for the day in a single click. Use SwiftRead to scan lengthy documentation, articles, and research PDFs in a fraction of the usual time. When writing replies, let Compose AI auto-complete your response emails and Slack updates effortlessly. If you need to teach a task or delegate a process to a teammate, Trigger Tango to auto-document your clicks in real time. Finally, keep Unhook toggled on so you stay focused when researching on YouTube without getting sidetracked. By integrating these 5 Chrome extensions, you will eliminate unnecessary browser friction, clean up tab chaos, and save hundreds of working hours every year. All extension download links are pinned in the description box below so you can install them immediately. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe to TechFlow for weekly productivity teardowns, and leave a comment telling us which extension you are installing first. Don't forget to click the video on screen right now to discover more secret browser hacks and AI automation tools. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next breakdown.